Why they hate me? Why they hate me? I ask the Lord why they hate me. Why they wanna take me? Do they mistake me? They mistake me for what they can't relate to me, so they say they hate me. Does it seem crazy? But yet the baby be like, whoa. And I'm like, I don't know, they hate me, but they can't relate to me. They mistake me for something that they cannot see. The prophets are endlessly coming, and yet the bullets are flying, but they're steady running. And I'm assuming they know what's going on, but then I try to find peace. I get high, it's like a mind at ease. But man, what the fuck do you believe? I'm turning chief, I see that I got a reason. I have no reason to believe that there's a realness to see. A lot of real people look far and few. That's the thing I learned in the streets, and that's something that's true. A lot of people flaw and they'll come running for you. And what the fuck? What the fuck you say when you trying to get paid? What the fuck you gonna do when everybody trying to make you get laid? They trying to lay you on the floor. They're trying to open the door to caskets. They trying to open your casket. They're trying to open your motherfucking casket, man. So they try to open a casket for me, and I ask, please look past my eyes, you cannot see. Fallen angels in the skies at the demise, like angels of fiery pains, we flow with veins. Man, fuck that, we like barbed wire on your eyes. Will you realize we know your lies? To your facial expression, it's costing your demise. Fuck flaw, I see what you speaking when it come out your jaw. I ain't got time for this, homie, don't you feel me? I ain't like y'all, that's the fucked up part. I'm not illiterate, let's put it like that, I meant the opposite. But you know I'm trying to ride because I'm getting kinda high and I'm popping it. I need another pill though, I'm not gonna lie. Today's turn up Thursday, so I might as well do it today. So fuck that, I'ma get paid regardless of what they say. They hate me cause they mistake me, cause they can't relate me, and they still hate me, but yet they wanna be me. It's crazy, I don't know. Too many drugs on the floor, too many drugs on the table. What am I supposed to say? I'm a little unstable. I feel like I'm going crazy, man. What am I supposed to say? They can't explain. Pistol playing with the toys, I like them guns, man. Call me Rolls Royce, cause I like them in the choice. One header. Oh man, I'm just playing, man. But man, what the fuck is going on? I like this lifestyle, but yet it's a little wild. I'ma be gone soon, and I know it's true. My goons are saying the same truth. And I'm like, damn man, hopefully it's not true. But yet they say that you're gonna die, because this is the life I live in the sky. Fallen angels, we realize that we not the same. We got more knowledge than everybody, and that's true. Do you feel the window pane? Cause I'm like the rain, the clouds clutter my mind, and then I try to find peace, I still see out. I'm like a plug-in. Fuck it, you bugging out, but yet I'm drugged out. I'm still sober, but yet you don't even know that your life is over. This a mental mind rap, I don't even know what the fuck I'm about to say, but yet just know it's about to snap. It's like we got a Glock and I don't know where to stop, but yet we know we gonna pop a couple veins in the cell. We gonna put you in the prison so you can feel the hell. What the fuck you mean we rebel? It's true anarchy is, that's what we sell. Man, fuck that, Russian blood, that's what makes me. What the fuck you mean? That's what it mean, P. Now I'm not a gangster, none of that shit you wanna be. I got it in me, believe me, I can take it to the streets if I needed to be. Been there, done that, now you trying to take me and come back. Fuck that, networking through the city, now I'm running through the states. Fuck that, you trying to hate? No, cause I got 15 and I'm going further, and you can't make it. What you moving, what you pushing, huh? You hating cause you losing, you want the exotics and you can't get it? Am I too hot for Hot Topic and they can't stop it? Now they wanna take me because they don't believe me. Now my pill line and exotics is too hot. Man, the car's speeding, my foot's on the pedal, I'm going too fast. I hope I crash and live life with no seatbelt. Man, this is how I felt. Fuck that, these are the cars that I'm dealt. Rapping is so easy, best believe me. When it comes to something I rap that's reality. I don't rap about jacking and trapping. I mean I done it, but I can only rap on what I compare to. I ain't sold a brick, but I can show you where to get it. Best believe that's the realest shit I ever spit. Quote MGK if you wanna hate. I don't never take another man's words, cause I got my own to play. Whew. That shit is fun.